everyone, today we will be writing the full form of these terms here. MAC, Wi-Fi, I've put several terms and these are quite important and will come for sure for your computer science class 12 board exam, and they usually come for 1 mark or 2 marks. So if it is for 2 marks, it might be half mark each for questions, or for 1 mark also you can expect this. So let's start. MAC. MAC stands for Media Access Control. MAC stands for Media Access Control. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is something which we all must know because this is something that we use in our everyday life. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. Wi-Fi stands for Wireless Fidelity. Why Max? Why Max has got nothing to do with Wi-Fi. Okay, and this is quite long. Max is worldwide interoperability. Worldwide sorry for that. It stands for worldwide interoperability for microwave access. Worldwide interoperability for microwave access. NIC. NIC stands for Network Interface Card. Network Interface Card. And if they give you NIU, it is going to be Network Interface Unit. Okay, if U comes in place of C, just change card to unit. Modem is modulator, or if you write demodulator, that is also right. Modulator or demodulator, that is what modem is. TCP, this is so common. Okay, this term is really common in board exams. It usually comes. This term stands for Transmission Control Protocol. This is the full form of TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. Next, IP address, IP number, right? We know all of this, IP ID and all. So IP stands for Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol. IP address, right? You all might know that. What is HTTP? This HTTP, you will see, you might have seen HTTP in the URL when you open a website. You will see HTTP, right? So HTTP stands for Hyper Text Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is what HTTP is. Now HTTPS is the same, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and this S stands for secure. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure is HTTPS. FTP is also really important. FTP is File Transfer Protocol. File Transfer Protocol. PPP, Point to Point Protocol. Point to Point Protocol. SMTP, these three and the TCP, they are really important. SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol is SMTP. What is POP3? post office protocol 3. Post office protocol 3. VoIP is really important. Voice over internet protocol. www, I'm sure you all would know this. World Wide Web. www.school.com, www.something.com. So World Wide Web is the full form of www. URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. HTML Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. XML is extensible. After the E will be small and X should be big. Okay, that is how you write. One second. Yeah. Extensible markup language. Sorry for my handwriting. I don't know why it is getting worse. Extensible markup language is the full form for XML. ISP is Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider is ISP. So these are the terms that you must know. I have given how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, yeah, 19 terms, and their full forms have been given. This is really important. You will get this for sure. Okay, 100% sure, for 1 mark or 2 mark. Make sure you learn this.